Lenovo motherboard. Lenovo motherboard for repair. Motherboard is water damage. See, water inside in motherboard, and we have to repair this board. See, water damage motherboard. This is a charging section. This is charging connector, and charging section is fully corroded due to corrosion, and this is also there is also corrosion. This is 3 volt 5 volt section. This section also corroded. We have to clean and all section and remove and replace all damaged parts. This is a Lenovo motherboard and water damage motherboard. Let's repair this board and complete the case. Thank you. This IC is shorted to the ground. See, Lenovo LV5116A. This IC is shorted to the ground. Water damage laptop Lenovo, and we have now purchased. We have already new IC LV5116A. We have to install this IC. Let's install the IC and remove the shorting. Thank you. After replacing this Lenovo IC, before it's no power, see this IC replacement Lenovo LV5116A. Now it's powered on. See, taken amp, powered on. We connect our pen drive. See, if there is blue light display coming, display is there. We have to check assemble in cabinet and check display. 700 600. One time restart due to RTC. 800 600. Yes. One attempt restart. Now need display. On and off. Yes, blue light is there. See, now display in this system. We have to assemble in cabinet and check the display. Thank you. Fan spin, LED light, battery charging indication, lap display. This laptop case study of Lenovo water damage is now complete. Thank you.